This lesson will show you how to add images from clip art or Google Images to your iMovie project. Let's go ahead and bring up Safari. Safari is a little friendlier in terms of dragging and dropping images. And what I'm going to show you is how to go into schools.clipart.com. However, the same drag and drop feature is available when you're working with Google Images. So from the LMC homepage, you can select clipart.com. If you do type in the URL yourself, make sure that you type in schools.clipart.com and not www. The username is tmsstudent and the password is 25student. And we should have some happy fellow telling us thank you. You're welcome. And here we are at clip art. On the keyword search here, go ahead and type in something related to what you're looking for and search, and you will see several options here. You can hit next and back. Now one real important tip is that if I go up and I click on the back in Safari at any time, it's going to log me out of clip art. So it's critical that you use the backlinks that are on the page. There's one at the top usually and one near the bottom. So again, if you use this back button on the browser, you'll get logged out of clip art. So once you find a piece of clip art that you like, you can click on it once. And then I'd recommend clicking on a download so you get the best picture available. Either go with the PNG with transparent background or with the JPEG. I like the PNGs, so I'm going to download that one. A big window will show up and I will click and drag and drop to the desktop. Alright, you could do that for as many images that you have. And then when you're ready to put that into your project, you can just grab it from the desktop and put it in your project. And there you have it. So for JPEGs and for PNGs, you can drag and drop from the desktop. Stay away from .gifs, .gifs. Those will not drag and drop into iMovie. So now you can see as I play this, it zooms in automatically, and that's called the Ken Burns effect. Now if you bring in an image and something gets cut off, what you might want to do is click on the wheel here and go to cropping, Ken Burns, and rotation. And from here you can modify the Ken Burns effect. You can crop the picture or you can make it fit inside the project window. Okay, so I like the Ken Burns effect. And to show how this works, you can see there's a green and a red rectangle. The green rectangle is the view that the picture is going to start with, and then the red is where it's going to end up, and it's going to show some kind of movement. So just an example, I'm going to click and drag the green up here, and let's say I want this to look smaller to start with, and then the red one for finishing, I want it to finish up over on this can here. Okay, so I can switch between the two just by clicking on them. Again, the green is where this is going to start, the red is going to be where it finishes, and I can preview what it looks like by hitting the play clip button. And there's the preview where it starts in the upper left and it ends right where I want it to on the can. When I like that, I can hit done, and there you have it. So that's how you change the effects. Now if you wanted the picture to show longer or shorter, click on the wheel and go to clip adjustments, and then you can set it to play longer. Let's say maybe 10 seconds you want that to play. You could also add video effects here. Click on that and look through the different effects. Maybe you want it to look like an X-ray. And hit done. And now when I play this, again, spacebar is play. You can see in the preview window it's got that X-ray effect, and it also moves from the trash can to the soda can. And that's how you import images.